Okay, review tayo for your coming Civil Service exam. And math problems yung tuturo ko sa inyo. Then marami pong ganitong lumalabas. Tignan po natin itong dalawang problem. Number 1, 2 times 1 divided by 2. 4 divided by 1 times 2. 6 times 1 divided by 2. So ito yung missing. Dito pa lang pag nakita po natin yung choices, meaning na-evaluate na po iyan. Okay, at itong problem na po natin na ito ay series. When it comes to series, always remember na mayroon at mayroon pong pattern yan. Okay, so dito, kunin po natin yung pattern. Papansin po natin dito, okay. So 2, susunod 4, susunod 6. Okay, so definitely dito 8. So yun po yung pattern. Next, yung operation po natin, multiplication, division, multiplication, definitely dito, division. I hope nakuha po natin yung pattern. Okay, next, 1. 1 ulit dito sa susunod. 1 ulit. Okay, so dito, 1. Next operation ulit, division, multiplication, division, and definitely dito, multiplication. Okay, and next, 2. Pareho dito 2 ulit. And dito 2 ulit. So definitely ulit 2 ulit dito. Okay, so lagyan na natin dito para mas malinaw. 8 divided by 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, so nakuha na po natin yung sagot. Ngayon, evaluate po natin yan using PEMDAS. Okay. Para makuha po natin yung sagot. So using PEMDAS, 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8 multiplied by 2. Therefore, the answer is 8 times 2 is equal to 16. The answer is letter B. Okay, lagi niyo pong tatandaan, meron pong pattern. Basta series, meron at meron pong pattern. Okay, number 2. 15 minus 8 plus 3. Okay, next 8. Then 4 divided by 2 times 3. So evaluate nyo lang yan. 15 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 10. Next 8. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Okay, so nakukuha na po natin 10, 8, 6, and next, dito sa ating series, nagdideduct lang siya ng 2. Nagdideduct ng 2 dito, 6. So dito, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, the answer is letter A. Okay, so series po yung problem natin. Lagi yung tatandaan, pag series, meron at merong pattern. I hope you get this one and follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless!